In this video, you will see how you can impressively illuminate a large tree with relatively dense foliage, where at night it will give an amazing green light, making everyone admire it. We will need not one, not two, but 3 LED floodlights of green color, and in this case, the power consumption in each is 10 watts. So, we have a total consumption at 30 watts, that is perfectly acceptable and economical for a few hours at night. Let's start by seeing where the LED floodlights were placed. So, at one end of the tree, the first spotlight was placed with a slight inclination so that the light was concentrated in the center of the tree. Steel wire was used to fix the LED light, but depending on the type of LED floodlight, you can also mount metal fasteners. The second LED floodlight was placed exactly in the center of the tree, with the illumination angle being almost vertical to illuminate as much as possible the relatively dense array of leaves that are in the upper layers of the tree. In the third LED floodlight, and due to the fact that the placements were relatively long compared to the other two, it was tilted more to focus towards the center of the tree, with the light beam meeting the other 2 LED floodlights. But let's see what is the effect of the night. As you can see, the light is very successfully focused on the center of the tree, giving a spectacular view up close. We should also emphasize that a point that the camera does not capture is the ground, where it is also partially illuminated, giving a very impressive result. On the other hand, if you fit even more powerful LED floodlights, the result will certainly be even more impressive.